I'm using this design for making border of denim jacket. You can make it as an all over hand embroidery design with borders. For making this design beautifully, you should know how to make it precisely and how many times you need to wrap around. Start from the center and make one French knot. I want the center French knot to look prominent, that is why I will wrap around 5 times. 5. This fabric is thick, so you need to adjust and pull it carefully like this. This is center knot. And for making flower, I am using lighter shade. One shade lighter than this center one. You can choose any color you wish. Now wrap around 4 times. 4. Two, three, 4. Now I have made 2 French knots around the center one. In this gap I'll make 2 here and 2 on opposite side. Like this. Now we will make sleeves with green thread. If you find some gaps in between, you can make extra French knot if you like. I am using lazy daisy stitch for making leaves.